A very good evening to all of you. Some are shaitan bacha, some are good bacha. They have not read the message properly. But okay, let's move on to the today's concept. The four remaining concepts which we have dealt through. In the today's concept, we will understand the concept of LLP agreement, partnership agreement, and the last one is the article of association. No problem as such. I am sharing a screen with all of you. Just a second. Yes, a screen is in front of you now. Who would like to tell me what was the form of memorandum of association of a company limited by guarantee, not having share capital? Yes, anyone would like to answer here? If a company is limited by guarantee, not having share capital, what was the table of that memorandum of association? Yes, Prabhat, Muskan, do you remember? Cheating nahi karni. Prabhat is saying F. Okay. Mansi is saying D. Shaitan. Prabhat is also Shaitan. No. F is for art. Yes.
Sir, table B.
Table B.
Yes, sir.
Adarsh is
Sir,
good.
sir,
Yes,
could
Lidya.
you repeat again, sir? I couldn't hear that, sir.
I was saying if the company is, for example, if the company is limited by guarantee and not having the share capital, what was the name of table of the
Table B,
memorandum
sir.
of association applicable
Table
in
B,
that
sir.
case? Sorry?
Table B, sir.
Table B. Very nice, is there. Table B. Great, Pritika. Just a second. There are some good bacha in the list now. Just a second. आप सबसे कभी बात ही नहीं हुई मेरी. That's why I asked to open your mic as well as the camera. Chalo. Let's go ahead now. So table B was the answer. So let's move on to the concept now. Thereafter, we will have the discussion. So for example, we have understood the concept. Pritika, could you please let me know the clauses of the memorandum of association? The 6 clauses of the memorandum of association without seeing the memorandum of association. Could you please let me know the clauses?
Okay, sir. Name clause, situation clause, object clause, capital clause, subscription clause, name, situation, object, capital, subscription, one more, object
Yes.
clause.
Name, situation, object to ho gaya. You have
Name, situation, object, capital, subscription. I'm forgetting one more.
Liability clause.
Liability. Yes.
Very nice, Tarucha and Kritika. Very nice.
Yes, liability.
Liability. But isko shift nahi karna. First of all, name, situation, object, capital, liability. Thereafter, subscription.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Now, let's move on to the concept of article of association in the today's class. This is most important concept now in front of you. If your company, sir, what is the meaning of article of association? Just a second. Let me share the screen with you. Yeah. So what is the meaning of article of association? For example, in the beginning, I have informed you that directors signs 2 documents. One is MOA, one is AOA. Is it right or wrong? Yes.
Director, wrong. Director does
Wrong.
not sign.
Director
doesn't
does
sign.
not sign.
Yeah.
Yes.
Who
Only
signs
subscribers.
the memorandum as well as the article of association? Sir, the
Subscribers.
Subscribers.
signs the memorandum as well as the article of association. So, sir, we have understood the meaning of MOA. What is the meaning of article of association? This is important to understand. Try to understand now. Just like my house, your house also must have the internal rules. Ki, sir, if you go outside, you should come in the home at 9 p.m. Otherwise, aapko raat ka khana nahi milega. Right? You have to wake up in the morning at 5 a.m. Otherwise, you will be considered as Konsa, Meghnad Ram Konsa, Kumkuran. Right? So these are the internal rules in the company. So jitne bhi internal rules hote hai, that is known as the article of association. It regulates the relationship between the company and its internal members only. So article of association is a rules prevailing internal the company. ये होता है हमारा article of association. For example, हमारी कंपनी में board of directors कितने होंगे? How many board of directors will be there in the company? How the meeting of board of directors will be conducted? Right? When the meeting of board of directors will be conducted? How the shares will be issued to the subscribers? Whether the shares will be issued in physical mode or in demat mode. All the internal rules will be mentioned in the article of association. That is important to understand. All right, sir. So if we regulate the internal rule, the document is article of association. All right, let me share the screen again. Table F is the model form for the article of association. If your company is limited by shares, this is important. If your company is limited by shares, you just have to copy paste from table F. If your company is limited by guarantee and not having, if your company is limited by guarantee and having share capital, table G you have to copy paste. And if your company is limited by guarantee, not having share capital, you have to take table H in this case. This is most important concept is in front of you. So there are totally 5 tables, but other 2 tables are not of use because वो unlimited liability वाले case में आती है. We don't require unlimited liabilities company. You will be required to understand 3 tables that is in front of you. Table F, table G, and table H. All right, sir. So, sir, how to get this table F, table G, and table H? You just have to type schedule 1 of the Companies Act. Just a second, let me go through with it. Acts and Rule, Companies Act 2013, the Bible. See, the table F is in front of you. Table S is article of association of a company limited by shares. This is important. You just have to copy paste if you have to draft the article of association of a company limited by shares. But अगर आपकी company limited by guarantee है and having share capital है, you just have to copy paste table G. अगर आपकी company is limited by guarantee है but not having share capital है, you just have to copy paste table H. All right, sir. No problem at all. So this is just the article of association. No problem at all. आपको just इसको पढ़ना है एक बार. You just have to read the provisions of articles. All right, sir. Now, जो अब हम सीखेंगे, that will give you the edge from the professionals. In the today's class itself, we will understand the concept of LLP. We will also understand the concept of partnership. Sir, what is the meaning of LLP? ध्यान से समझना. If Pratik and Piyush wanted to start the business, they have 2 options. One is the partnership, one is the company. Pratik says, sir, let's start the business in the form of partnership. But Piyush says, no, we should start the business in the form of company. Why? Company has the limited liability. Company has the corporate personalities also. But the partnership, the partners have the unlimited liability, the first thing. The second thing is that partners are not different from its partnership firm. For example, I am sharing a screen with all of you. Let's say this is in front of you, Pratik and Piyush. They are doing the business in the form of partnership. Let's say PP and company. First of all, do let me know whether this is company or not. PP and company. Is company yes or no?
No.
sir.
No. Very nice. Sir, we have to mention private limited or the limited after the name of the company. So, sir, this is not the company, first of all. So let's say Pratik and Piyush started one business in the form of partnership, PP and company. Now, I have a question for all of you. Whether Pratik and Piyush as well as PP and company will be considered as one person or they will be considered as two persons. Yes or no, beta? Yes. Whether Pratik and Piyush will be considered as one person, example is in front of you. Pratik and Piyush, PP and company. Whether Pratik and Piyush and PP and company
No,
will be considered as one person or two person. Yes.
no. They will not be considered as one person company.
So you are saying they will be considered as two
No.
person.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
They will be considered as one person because PP and company have not any separate legal existence.
Okay. So sir, you are saying that Pratik and Piyush as well as PP and company will be considered as one person. Why? Because PP and company will have no separate identity, distinguished from its partners. Yes. But for example, if Pratik and Piyush incorporated, let's say Corporate Guru Limited, Corporate Guru Private Limited, in that case, whether they will be considered as two person or one person.
Two
Two
persons, sir,
persons, sir.
because the company has now separate legal existence.
Very
Not
nice.
from-
They will be considered as two person because the company has the separate legal identity. Very nice, Mansi Muskan. Great, Prabhat. So, sir, we have understood the concept. We have understood the demerit also. For example, if Pratik and Piyush start the business in the form of partnership, Pratik and Piyush ki sari assets, all the assets will be sold out to pay the liability of PP and company. Because if we do the business in the form of partnership, the partners have the unlimited liability, just like unlimited liability. Their personal assets will be sold out to pay the liabilities of this partnership firm. But let's say this one, if Pratik and Piyush wants to start the business in the form of company, in that case, Pratik and Piyush will have the limited liability. That is the difference between the partnership as well as the company. Now, for example, Pratik and Piyush, they wanted to start a business. But if they start the business in the form of company, they do not have the required fund to incorporate the company. तो सर वो क्या करे? उनके पास इतना पैसा नहीं है. They do not have the required fund to incorporate the company. But if they start the business in the form of partnership, उनकी unlimited liability हो जाएगी. ये problem उनको आई. Pratik and Piyush were facing this problem. One day, they came to Prabhat. Prabhat suggested Pratik and Piyush that, hey, you can incorporate LLP. Yes, limited liability partnership, a mixture of both partnership as well as the company. It is a mixture of both partnership as well as the company. Sir, I have a doubt. Just a second. Sir, I have a doubt. For example, if Pratik and Piyush incorporates, let's say, one LLP, which act they have to apply? The answer is Limited Liability Partnership Act 2000. Who would like to answer here? Limited Liability Partnership Act 2000.
2015? 15.
Who said 50?
2008.
8.
2008.
2008.
Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. They have to apply. All right, sir. Acha, sir. What is the ministry? What is the name of the ministry who will regulate the LLP? Yes. The answer is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Sir, ministry same है. Ministry is same. Companies को भी कौन regulate करता है? Ministry of Corporate Affairs. LLP को भी कौन regulate करता है? Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Sir, partnership को कौन regulate करता है? Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The answer is no. Registrar of firm. Registrar
Registrar of firms.
firm. Right. So partnership को Ministry of Corporate Affairs regulate नहीं करती. Partnership is not being regulated by Ministry of Corporate Affairs, but LLP as well as companies are being regulated by Ministry of Corporate Affairs. All right, sir. Now, LLP has both the mixture of partnership as well as the company. Do you know one thing? If Prateek and Piyush started a business in the form of LLP, Prateek and Piyush will have the limited liability. The first thing. The second thing is that the LLP will have the corporate personality distinguished from its members. The third thing is that they don't have to comply with the provisions of Companies Act 2013 because they do not have the enough funds. That's why इनको बीच का रास्ता हमने दे दिया. We have given the middle solution to that. They just have to apply the provisions of Limited Liability Partnership Act 2013. And therein, there is no such requirement, just like the Companies Act 2013. Compliances are very less in Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. You don't have to get your accounts audited also. In some cases, you don't have to get your account audited. But if you incorporate the company, in every case, your account should be audited by the chartered accountant. But if you incorporate the LLP, it is not mandatory in some cases that your account shall be audited by the chartered accountant. Yes, Arucha, do you know the limit prescribed under the provisions of Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008? No?
Is turnover limit is prescribed. I think 40 lakhs, I think. I'm not sure.
40 lakhs. Yes, Shashank, Sudhanshu. Remember the limit. Yes, Shashank. Not remember. Prabhat. Pritika. Not remember. Ankritika. Not remember. Sir, one student is saying, Achna is saying 40 lakhs. 40 lakh is what? Turnover or contribution? Okay. At the end of the session, I will explain that what is
Turnover, I think so.
turnover. I think so, Shaitan. So at the end of the session, I will let you know what is the threshold limit. If you increase the
So I think
threshold
40
limit,
lakhs is the turnover.
only in that
I'm not sure of the.
right. If you
I'm not
increase,
sure of the cap contribution, but 40 lakhs is, I think, the turnover.
okay, no problem. Let's say who will give me the answer by cheating the provisions of Limited Liability Partnership Act. So there is the limit, the threshold limit. If you exceed the threshold limit, you have to get your accounts audited. In another case, if you are below the threshold limit, you don't require to get your accounts audited by the chartered accountant. तो आपकी यहाँ पर audit की फीस भी बचेगी अगर आप LLP को incorporate करोगे. But if you incorporate the company, चाहे आपकी कोई सी भी company हो, छोटी मोटी बड़ी, irrespective of your size of the company, the accounts must be audited by the chartered accountant. All right, sir. So now we have understood the concept of partnership, LLP as yes.
When LLP is registered in the register of office, register
No.
of company,
Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Prabhat.
Ministry of Corporate Affairs, as company is registered, we have to file all the documents to the register of company. So
Right.
it is required for LLP also.
Okay. Yes. Harucha, you want to say something here?
Yeah. There are some forms prescribed similar to that of a company, but
The form
this
is,
form,
you know, form. The form is Philip.
Philip,
If you
yes, sir.
want to incorporate the LLP, आपको कौन सा form भरना है? Form Philip. Fun Phillips नहीं, form Philip. Right. Lindia is saying, sir, 25 lakh is the contribution and 40 lakh is the turnover. If you exceed this limit, then only your account shall be audited by the chartered accountant. In the case of LLP, very nice. Cheating करके बताते हो आप लोग. Okay,
No,
let's
sir.
move on to the concept. Chalo, just move on, sir. Let's say if we want to incorporate the LLP, this is most important concepts. If we want to incorporate the LLP, there are two kinds of people. One is the partner. One is the designated partners. No problem at all, sir. No problem at all. One is the partner. one is the designated partner. Sir, the minimum number of partner is 2. The maximum limit is no limit. Maximum is no limit. Any number of partner can be there in the LLP. No problem at all. All right, sir. Now, one day, one chartered accountant asked me one question. Sir, can we incorporate the LLP with 500 partners? What is the answer? Yes.
Yes.
The answer is yes. We can incorporate the LLP if there are 500 partner also. No problem at all. Okay, sir. Now let's move on now. Sir, we need 2 partners as well as we need minimum 2 designated partners. Sir, let me give you various examples who can become a partner. For example, Mr. A, who is Indian, whether he can become a partner in the LLP, yes or no? The answer is
Yes.
yes, no problem at all. Foreigner, a John, Aliza, who is living in USA, whether he or she can become a partner in Indian LLP, yes or no? Yes, Pritika. Shashank, Sudhanshu, whether John or Aliza can become a partner in the LLP. Yes, Akantika. Akankriti. आपका name थोड़ा difficult है. Your name is slightly.
Sir, it's Ekankrita.
It's Akankrita. Okay, sorry.
Ekankrita.
Yes,
Yes,
Prabhat.
sir.
Whether
Yes,
a
sir.
foreigner can become a partner in the LLP. The answer is
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes.
Foreigner can also become a partner in the LLP. No problem at all. This is very, very important concept which we are dealing as of now. Yes. Sir, Indian company, for example, Reliance, whether Reliance can become a partner in the Indian LLP. Yes or no? The answer is
Yes.
yes. No problem at all. Reliance can also become a partner in the LLP. Yes. So whether a foreign company also can become a partner, the answer is again
Yes, sir.
yes. No problem at all. So partner कोई भी बन सकता है. Anyone can become a partner in there. Vijay, very nice. Anyone can become a partner in the LLP. No problem at all. But now this concept is very, very, very important. Who can become a designated partner? Sir, first of all, to become a designated partner, आपको partner तो होना जरूरी है ही है. Yes or no? First of all, you must be individual. You must be individual. Okay. The second thing is that आपकी LLP में, in every LLP, there must be one person, one designated partner who is individual as well as the resident of India. Oh, who is the Indian? Oh, sorry, not the Indian. Who is the individual as well as the resident of India? This is important. Now, let me give you various examples. You will be confused and you will enjoy. Just give me the various examples. For example, Prateek and Piyush, they are Indians. They are Indians. They are incorporating the Prateek LLP. No problem, sir, no problem. There are 2 designated partners, Gopal and Sagar. Do let me know whether the same is allowed as per the provisions of Companies Act. Oh, sorry, not the Companies Act, Limited Liability Partnership Act. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Allowed. Yes, Prabhat.
So because all are citizens.
Yes, Prabhat. Is it allowed? Pritika,
Sir, can you repeat this?
just a second. There are 2 partners, Prateek and Piyush, in the LLP. And there are 2 designated partners also, Gopal and Sagar. Whether the same is allowed, Gopal is Indian also. Sagar is also Indian. Whether the same is allowed, they are resident also.
Yes, sir. It is allowed.
Allowed.
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
They should be
No,
partners
sir. They
first.
should be partners first.
अरे, they should be partners first. Partners को तो आप designate करोगे. You will designate a partner. First of all, to become a designated partner, you must be a partner. Did not get this.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Muskan,
sir.
please try to understand this. For example, if Prateek and Piyush are incorporating the LLP, no problem. So, sir, we need partners and we need designated partners. Now, Prateek and Piyush, they are appointing Gopal and Sagar as designated partner. Arey sir, designated partner बनने के लिए, to become a designated partner, you must be a partner first of all. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes,
Prabhat.
sir. Yes, sir. Now I get it.
Yes.
Sir,
This is the
so
confusion
my
questions.
sir,
Yes.
so my question is, if if there are two partners, one is company and one is foreign
Just a
individual.
second. I will explain everything. I will explain everything. No problem.
Okay.
I will explain through examples. आपको रटने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Muskan, did you get the same now? Who are designated partners? Sorry, I didn't get you, Muskan. You are very much allowed to unmute yourself. Who are designated partners? अभी ये मत समझो कि sir, what is partner, what is designated partner. First of all, try to understand who can become a designated partner and who can become a partner. Yes, Muskan. Okay. Now, please see this example now. Eliza and John, they are incorporating the LLP. Let's say Prateek LLP. Eliza and John are the partners. First of all, do let me know whether Eliza and John can become a partner in the Prateek LLP. Yes or no? Do let me know the
Yes,
answer in the chat box, Muskan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, this is allowed. No problem at all. Now, there are two designated partners, Eliza as well as John. They are living in USA. They are living in USA. Do let me know. Can we incorporate the LLP
No.
with this example?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why? Why we
Because
cannot incorporate?
We
Because
need one
Because they are
Indian
not
citizen.
resident of India.
we are not resident of India.
India.
Okay, very nice. Now let me give you one more example. Prateek LLP. There is two partners, Prateek and Eliza. Eliza is living in USA. She is my friend, best friend. Now, for example, there are two designated partners, Prateek and Eliza. Now, do let me know whether the same is allowed as provisions of Limited Liability Partnership Act.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Now this is allowed. No problem at all. Now, just a second. I will give you various examples. Just a second. Just a second. Yes. Vijay is also here now. Just a second. Let me share the screen now. Now, let me give you one more example. For example, this is again in front of you. Very, very, very important example. Very important example. Prateek LLP we are incorporating. Chalo, let me give you one more example first of all. Prateek LLP. Prateek LLP. There are 6 partners, Reliance, Infosys, Eliza, John, Mr. A, Mr. B. Okay, these are the partners of LLP. Now, who are the designated partners? Reliance, Infosys are the designated partners. Do let me know, Muskan, whether the same is allowed. Yes, do let me know whether the same is allowed. Yes, Sudhanshu, Arucha, Vijay, Kritika, whether the same is allowed.
No, sir.
Why?
Because they are not natural person. They are legal person.
They are the legal person. That's why they are not allowed. Because they are the partner, it is allowed. Oh ho, Muskan Shaitan Bacha. They are not individual. All right, sir. Now, please try to understand. Let me give you one more example. Designated partner. Who are becoming the designated partner? Let's say Eliza. Let me remove this. Eliza. John. ये कौन है? सारे foreigners है. They are the foreigners. But Aliza is living just near to Lal Killa from last 7 years. Do let me know whether we can incorporate the LLP in this case.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
man.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
I think
Because she's
I
a
think-
resident
I
of
think no,
India.
sir.
Resident of India.
They are not
No, sir.
Indians, but
No,
But
sir.
she's a resident
They are
of
not
India.
Indian citizens.
She has to be a resident of India, and she is.
they are
They
not
are-
Indian, but can we incorporate the LLP?
No,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
The answer is yes.
Why, sir?
Indian,
They are
we
not.
don't require Indian. Arey,
Yeah.
for example, one foreigner is living just near to Lal Killa from last 7 years. He is resident of India. All right. Let me give you one more example. Let's say, for example, this. Chalo, just a second. Mr. A and Mr. B, they are living in the USA. Let's say they are living in the USA. Okay, they are living in the USA. Now, they have been appointing as the designated partner, Mr. A, Mr. B. They have been appointing as a designated partner. Although they are Indian, but they are not the resident of India. Do let me know whether the same is allowed. Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not
sir.
allowed. आपको इंडियन होना मैंडेटरी नहीं लिखा है यहाँ पे. You should be the resident of India. Nationality क्या है doesn't matter. All right, sir. We have understood. Now, just last one more example. Just last, उसके बाद आपके basic concept नहीं. You can answer. You can argue a chartered accountant, company secretary of having experience of 10 to 15 years. No problem at all. Let me give you one more example. Aliza. She is living in the USA. No problem. No problem, sir. She is living in the USA. Just a second. Just a second. Aliza, she is living in the USA. And Mr. B. Mr. B is living in India. No problem at all. So Miss Aliza, as well as Mr. B, they are the designated partners of the LLP. Whether we can go ahead, yes or no?
Yes.
The answer is
Yes.
we can go ahead in this case. So I hope अब आपको basic concept यहाँ पर समझ में आ गया हो. Who can become a partner, who cannot become a partner, who can become a designated partner. LLP को incorporate कैसे करना है. Various students will fail to understand the basic concept. Just वो क्या करने लग जाएंगे? LLP agreement draft करने लग जाएंगे. अरे first of all समझ चलो who can become a partner and designated partner. कहीं कंपनी को ही designated partner बना दिया, डांट खाओगे आप फिर in that case. चलो. Now we have understood the basic concept. Two participants raised their hand. Let me check. Yes, Sanskriti, please go ahead.
Sir, I didn't understood one part that Eliza wasn't the resident of the country and still she got the designated partner. Why?
No problem at all. We need one designated partner at least. We need one designated partner who will be the resident of India. It is not required that all the designated partner must be the resident of India. It is not required.
Okay, sir.
You got the concept, Sanskriti?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Out of two, one is required to be the resident of India. All right, sir. Yes, any doubt to anyone? Yes, Prabhat, please go ahead.
Sir, why any legal person cannot become a designated partner?
अरे अब समझो सर, अब मैं समझाता हूँ what is the difference between partner and designated partner. Everything should come at the right time. For example, designated partner कौन होता है? जिसको आप responsible कर सकते हो. To whom you can held responsible. जिसका आप गला पकड़ सकते हो. कंपनी का गला पकड़ोगे आप. Will you responsible the company? Yes, Prabhat. Will you make held liable to the companies or to the individual?
Sir, but according to the, we can also sue the company, but we
Imprisonment
cannot.
किसको दोगे?
Yes, sir, we cannot give you for judgment, so we can find and
Correct. We can find them. But who is the main person who are controlling the company? The designated partners. That is why to help them liable, the designated partner must be the individual. ताकि हम उन्हें imprisonment दे सके if they are not complying the provisions of the Limited Liability Partnership Act. Right? Okay, that is the reason that only a natural person are allowed to become our designated partner. Sir, now we have understood the concept of partner as well as the
so
designated partner.
sir,
Yes.
sir, so we partner any legal person can become partner. So it means that partners are not responsible for the LLP Act and all this.
The designated
Only-
partners will be held liable in the case of non-compliances.
Okay, sir.
Right? All right. Now let me move ahead. So, sir, we have understood the concept of this. Now, last one more concept, and this is very, very, very important to understand. Let's say, for example, we are incorporating one LLP. No problem, sir, no problem at all. There are, let's say, 7 partners. There are 7 partners. One is the Reliance Limited. No problem. A Limited, B Limited, C Limited. This is most important concept. D Limited, E Limited, and F Limited. No, not the F Limited. Prateek. Do let me know first of all whether we can go ahead, yes or no. Yes. Anyone would like to answer here?
No,
Can
sir.
we? No.
Yes, sir.
Lydia is saying, well, yes, we can go ahead.
Yes,
Prateek.
sir.
As
Muskan
long
is
as Prat-
saying,
Yes, sir. As long as
Yes,
Pratik
sir.
resides in India, yes, sir.
Yes, sir, if he's a resident Indian.
Acha, for a partner, we don't require resident of India. These are the partners. The 7 partners is this, as well as one is individual. Yes, what do you think? Can we go ahead, Sudhanshu?
No, sir.
No?
So without knowing the designated partners, we can't make that decision yet, sir.
Lydia, could you please repeat?
Yes, sir. Without knowing who the designated partners are, we can't make that decision. yet,
Okay,
sir.
I will make the designated partner also. But first of all, tell me whether we can go ahead. Yes, Arucha, can we go ahead in this case? Go ahead, kar sakte. Yes, Vijay, can we go ahead?
सर बट सर डेजिग्नेटेड पार्टनर तो जो पार्टनर होगा उसी को बनाएंगे ना सर, तो इसमें तो one person is Prateek is eligible for to become a designated
How
partner.
many designated partners we require?
2 sir.
Sir.
अच्छा एक
Yes, sir.
बात समझो. This is important. क्या इसको designated partner बना सकते हो? No. इसको बना सकते हो? No. इसको no, इसको no, इसको no, इसको no. सिर्फ इसको ही तो बना सकते हो. And we need 2 designated partners. Can we go ahead?
No, sir.
No sir.
No, sir.
Obviously.
Yes, Pooja, you raised your hand. Please go ahead.
Sir, how will we find out that person is a resident of India? Like for how many days we need to see he is not?
I will explain. I will explain the meaning of
Okay.
resident of India. Do not worry.
Okay, sir.
Just a second. Right. So can we go ahead in this case, Pritika Prabhat, Shashank? No.
No sir. No sir.
Okay. Let me give you one more example. आज आपका brain थोड़ा ज़्यादा work करेगा. Just a second. Piyush. Now, Prateek and Piyush are becoming the designated partner. Can we go ahead in this case?
Yes.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
We can go ahead.
Yes,
No
sir.
problem at such. So, sir, क्या आप ये बोलना चाहते हो? Do you wanna say one thing? This. Just a second. Sir, do you wanna conclude that in partnership, that in LLP, all the partners cannot be a company? Reliance ABCD Limited, let's say ABCD, E Limited, and F Limited. Can we go ahead in this case? Yes or no? Mithi is saying no.
No,
Priyanka
sir.
is saying no.
No, sir.
Everyone is saying no. But the answer is yes. Answer is yes. We can still go ahead. Sir, how? How we can go ahead in this case? Just a second. Let me explain to you. These are the loopholes. यही तो interpretation है बेटा. These are the interpretation. See, Reliance Limited will appoint one person as the representative. Who will be the individual? Who will be the individual? For example, Ambani. No problem. C Limited, let's say, they are appointing Z as representative. Who is individual? So in that case, there are two designated partners who are individual and one is the resident of India. We can go ahead like this. You got the concept now? Yes, Prabhat.
Yes, sir. I think I need to go to the Bayer Act of the
Let's go
Indian-
through the Bayer Act now. Let's go through with the Bayer Act. Do not worry. Just a second. Muskan is saying we could be done this in previous cases as well. Acha. Yes, in the previous cases as well. This can be done. This can be done. No problem at all. Just let me give you the example. For example, sir, let me show the Bayer Act now. Just a second. Let me show you the Bayer Act. कौन सी वेबसाइट पे जाना है मुझे लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप एक्ट को लेने के लिए? Who will like to tell me? The Ministry of Corporate Affairs.
Corporate Affairs, MCA.
रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ फॉर्म मत लिख देना. MCA. The Act and Rules. And thereafter, the Limited Liability Partnership Act. This is very, very, very important. See, partner is very important. Let's try to understand the partner. Any individual means chahe Gora ho, chahe foreigner ho, chahe Indian ho, doesn't matter at all. Any individual or a body corporate can become a partner in the LLP. No problem at all. Now, let's try to understand how many members are required. 2. Limited, जो maximum limit है, has not been prescribed. So, जितने मर्जी हो सकते हैं, no problem at all. Designated partner. अब ये most important है. Every LLP shall have at least 2 designated partners who are individual. Who are individual का मतलब whether all the designated partner must be individual, yes or no? Yes. Who are individual and at least one of them shall be a resident in India. You got the point now? Yes or no? Now let's try to understand now another line of the Bayer Act. Provided that in case of the LLP in which all the partners are body corporate, तो क्या हमारा वाला केस लग रहा है यहाँ पर? Yes. Provided that where all the partners are the body corporate, in that case, see, the nominees of such body corporate shall be designated partner in that case. Yes or no? Yes, Prabhat.
We have 6 companies as partner and 2 individuals. So then we cannot nominate.
Prabhat, your voice is not audible.
Sir, I am saying if there are 8 members in the LLP and 6 members are company and 2 persons are natural person, so then company cannot nominate their representative as designated member as just as provided in the Bayer Act. If all the partners are body corporate.
See, this is important to understand. Now, the first case is if all the partners are body corporate. The second case is some are body corporate, some are individual. Here it is. Individual as well as body corporate. All the cases are here. Yes or no? Yes, Prabhat.
I have not read fully.
Yes, that is the beauty of Bayer Act, Prabhat. Sudhanshu Harucha Pritika, Akan Kritika. Akan Krit. Sorry, I still forgot.
Sir, it's
Akankrita, right?
Yes.
Shashank, did you get the
Yes.
concept?
sir.
Right. So,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
we have, sir, please repeat. Kaushiki is saying, sir, could you please repeat? ध्यान से समझो बेटा, ध्यान से समझो. This concept will confuse the chartered accountant also, the company secretaries also. No problem at all. ध्यान से समझो. This is LLP, let's say. Just let me find this. This is LLP. Let's say Prateek and Piyush are the partners. They are the partners. Gopal and Sumit are the designated partners. First of all, Muskan, Kaushiki, do let me know whether the same is allowed. No. Mansi is saying no. Muskan, Kaushiki, whether the same is allowed. The answer is no. Because to become a designated partner, you should be the partner first of all.
Sir, could you repeat it again, sir?
Again?
Sorry, sir, I couldn't hear.
Yes,
Question.
Lydia.
I couldn't hear the question, sir.
See, the question is, this is the LLP. Prateek and Piyush are the partners, right? They are appointing Mr. Gopal and Mr. Sumit as the designated partner. Whether is it allowed? The answer is, Lydia, whether the same is allowed? No.
No, sir.
No, sir. To become a designated partner, you should be a partner first of all. The second case, LLP. This is John. This is Eliza. This is John. This is Eliza. They are living in the USA. They are living in the USA. They are appointing Prateek. Yes, Sanskriti, just a second. They are appointing Prateek as the designated partner, who is Indian, who is living in India from last 30 years. Do let me know whether the same is allowed. Yes.
No, only
Sir.
one designated partner.
Me too, sir.
Acha. Sir, only one is designated partner. We need at least two designated partner. Okay, let's say
Yes.
Gopal also. Gopal is also a designated partner. Now, whether the same is allowed?
No.
No.
Why?
Provided
Not
as
a partner.
Partners.
Not a partner.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yes,
he's not
they
a
are
partner.
partners.
The Prateek and Gopal is not the partner. Yes, Sanskriti. You have raised your hand. Please go ahead.
Sir, I wanted to ask, like, if a company can nominate a person to be a designated partner, can individual also do so?
No, individual cannot. Individual कैसे represent करे पाएगा? No, individual cannot. Okay. Now just a second. Last one more example. Try to understand the example. आपको रटने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. You don't need to write and learn. Let's say this is the LLP. A Limited, B Limited. चलो पहले गौरव वालों का example देता हूँ आप. John, Eliza, Prateek, three are partners. USA, Lal Kile ke paas, just near to Lal Kila from last 7 years. Prateek is the designated partner. John is the designated partner. Whether we can go ahead? Yes or no? Yes,
Yes,
we
sir.
can go ahead.
Yes, sir.
No
Yes.
problem at all. Let me remove this. Prateek and Eliza, who is living in USA. Whether we can go ahead in this case also? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mithi is saying no.
Yes,
Shaitan.
we can go ahead.
Yes, we can do.
Muskan is again saying no. Shaitan. Beta, we need at least one
At least
person.
one resident.
We need one person. At least one. Not required. We can go ahead. Yes, Muskan, we can go ahead. Miss Mithi Siri, sorry, sir. No problem. We can go ahead. Go ahead. Last one more example in front of you. This is LLP. This is partners. Partners. A Limited, B Limited, C Limited, D Limited. These are the partners. D is appointing Gora, foreigner, who is living in USA as the representative. No problem at all. B is also appointing one foreigner as the representative. who is living in the USA. Now, do let me know whether we can go ahead in this case. Yes or no?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
We cannot.
No.
Why?
They're not residents of
Yes.
India, sir.
They are not the resident of India. Last one more example. Uske baad, you are very much capable to argue with any person. Just last second. A Limited is appointing Ambani. Just a second. Ambani as the designated, as the representative. B Limited is appointing Mr. John, who is living in USA, as the representative. Do let me know whether we can go ahead in this case. Yes. Everyone
Yes.
is saying yes, sir. We can go ahead in this case. Muskan, did you get the concept now? Yes. Shudanshu, Harucha, any doubt to anyone? किसी को कोई भी छोटा सा भी doubt हो? No problem at all. Ask me. Yes, Prabhat, any doubt? So we have completed all the situations which may arise in the future if you are incorporating the LLP. No problem at all. All right, sir. Now, sir, one agreement will be there if you incorporate the LLP. And Muskan, yes, please go ahead, beta. Muskan, you are not audible, but please go ahead. Where are you, Muskan? Chalo, let's go ahead. Muskan is not there, I guess. Okay, so one agreement need to be executed in the case we incorporate the LLP, and that is the LLP agreement. LLP agreement, no problem at all. Muskan, please go ahead, beta. Please go ahead. I am listening.
Yes, sir. Actually, I wanted to ask that. So you told us that companies cannot be the designated partners even if they appoint individuals.
Why? When I said this,
Yes, I think you told this. I mean,
yes. Yes,
sir, is
Muskan?
it the case, or the companies can appoint the representative for a designated partnership?
See, companies can become a partner, but companies cannot become a designated partners. Company can
Yes, sir.
appoint individual as a designated
Mhm.
partner, as a representative. You got the point?
But sir, in that
Okay,
case,
sir.
they don't have to be partners, though, sir. But if they are just individuals who are designated partners who are appointing a partner, they will also have to be partners, right, sir?
Could you please repeat, Lydia?
Okay, sir. So a company, when it designates a partner, sir, they don't have to be a partner, right, sir?
Correct.
can be directly-
They cannot be a designated partner.
Yeah, no, a company cannot be a designated partner, sir, but they're appointing a designated partner, sir, right?
Correct.
They don't have to be partners, right, sir? They themselves.
Okay.
But in the case of an individual is appointing appointing a designated partner, in that case, they have to be partners, right, sir?
Correct. Yes. This
So,
is the
sir,
concept.
So, sir, in short, if a company appoints an individual, then they can become a designated partner.
Right. Irrespective of the fact that they are not the partners.
Okay, okay, sir.
Right? You got the concept. They are
Yes.
representing the partners itself. उनके पास ज़्यादा powers नहीं है. They are representing the companies itself.
Okay, sir.
You got the point. Yes, Muskan.
Yes, sir, I got it.
All right. Yes, Lydia. Any doubt for you in this case? No problem. So, sir, we have understood the concept of LLP. Now, sir, one agreement will have to be executed in the case once we incorporate the LLP. And the name of the agreement is LLP agreement. All right. LLP agreement. Sir, what are the terms in the LLP agreement? Sir, your responsibilities. Who are the partners? Who are the designated partners? कितने पैसे लेके आ रहे हो? What is your contribution in the partnership? क्या आपके rights होंगे? What is your rights? What is your duty? All these have to be made in the LLP agreement. But now you are very much capable to understand the terms as well as the provisions of the LLP agreement, I have shared the template with all of you in the WhatsApp group. I hope you must have got the same. So you just have to go through with the LLP agreement as of now. You can very much easily understand the concept of LLP agreements now. Now, for example, I have also shared the partnership agreement also. I have also shared some AOA, Article of Association also. Just go through with all these things. Just go through with all of these things. Thereafter, you will be very much capable to understand each and every detail. If you still have the doubts, you will be very much allowed to ask me anytime, irrespective of the timelines. No problem at all. Yes, अगर अभी आपको किसी को भी कोई doubt है, if you have the doubt, you are very much allowed to ask. Yes, Archana.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, Archana.
So LLP, like we have so many advantages as you said.
Yes.
Then why do people choose incorporating a company over LLP?
Yes. Any company secretary here? Harucha, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to answer here? Why people incorporate the company if there are the benefits of incorporating the LLP?
Because even private companies have very limited compliances.
See, in the
Sir, I
nutshell,
would like to answer, sir.
So
Yes, yes,
because
please-
of
please
the
go ahead.
funds,
because of
Sir,
the
I guess,
financial opportunities, sir.
yes, Sagar, please go ahead.
yes, sir. Sir, the private company, sir, it is easy. Like it is easy to attract investors, sir.
It is easy to attract the investors. LLP काफी सारे investors को समझ में नहीं आती. What is LLP? अभी ये ज्यादा modernize नहीं हुआ. LLP has not been modernized as such. But yes, companies have been modernized. So we are incorporating the private company. Investors will be agreed to invest the funds in the company. But in the LLP, you will not be able to impress the investors if you are having the LLP. That is the one drawback of incorporating the LLP.
Sir,
Yes.
is LL, excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes,
Sir,
yes, please
is
go ahead.
LLP a separate legal entity?
LLP is the separate legal entity. Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir.
LLP is the separate legal entity.
Sir,
Sir,
could you share the table? here,
Yes.
sir?
So other than attracting the funds, there are no other like practical disadvantages in an
Correct.
LLP
There is
over
no
company.
practical disadvantages. Just is the funds.
Okay.
The investors. No advantages, no disadvantages as such. There are various advantages that आपको audit नहीं करवाना. Audit is not mandatory if you don't increase the threshold limit. Right? Less
Yes.
compliances are there.
Yeah.
Less compliances are there. LLP can be incorporated in rupees, let's say, कितने रुपए? 200 rupees.
Yeah, there is no capital requirement also.
Correct. No ROC fees is required. So less compliances will be there. But if you
Right.
incorporate the company, तो बेटा, मेरे एक known थे, he incorporated the company and he forgot that he has incorporated the company. Now, they wants to wind up the company. They wants to close the company. Do you know how much compliances, how much fees we have paid to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs to close the company? Rupees 8 lakh.
Oh.
Rupees 8 lakh. He just started the company. Now he is getting the notifications, various notices from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. He forgot that he has incorporated the company, but now he wants to close the company. So, beta close करने के लिए भी we have paid 8 lakh rupees to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, unfortunately.
So the procedure for dissolution of LLP is also much easier.
Correct. Dissolution is very easy,
Okay.
right?
Sir, he should have not closed the company.
Why?
So because I think
We can
it
sell
would
the
have
company.
caused.
We can sell the company. The person who was the
Yeah.
director of the company through that we have closed is very much non-businessman.
Okay.
Is very much non-businessman. That's why we have to close the company for all the compliances in the future. You got the point?
Okay, sir.
Sir, is there any is there any concept of shares just like in the company? In company or investor can invest in the form of share. Sir, how investor invest in the LLP?
Okay, this is again important. Loan. They can give the loan to the LLP.
Sir, but loan is not like the shares. Shares are different and loan are different.
Correct.
So I think
That is the difference.
so I think this is the drawback. Another
Right.
drawback.
We cannot give the shares to the investors in that case.
Yes.
Prabhat is intelligent. LLM candidate. Very nice. Great. Yes, Vijay, any doubt to you? No. You can only write, I guess. Yes.
Sir,
I
so
guess.
what
you
is the
can-
difference between joint stock company and limited liability partnership? So this is a
Joint-
common question. I just want to understand because there is a
The
paper I have to appear.
Okay,
tomorrow.
the difference between joint stock
This is a
company,
probable question.
joint stock company as well as the LLP. Yes, Vijay.
Partnership.
As a joint stock company as well as the partnership. Okay. See, anyone would like to answer here? What is the difference between joint stock company as well as the LLP or the partnership? Harucha?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
LLP or the partnership, he wants to
No,
say.
joint stock company. Let's first understand the meaning of joint stock company, Harucha. Yes. Pritika, you want to answer this? Akankrita. Shaitan. Sudhanshu. Beta, you are all are Gyani person. Shashank. Hanji, what is joint stock company? No answer. Yes, Muskan, what is joint stock company? Lydia, where are you? Okay, let me explain the meaning of joint stock company. A Limited, B Limited. They are incorporating C Limited. A Limited is giving 1 lakh rupees. B Limited is giving 1 lakh rupees. Shares are being allotted to A as well as to B. This is joint stock company. You got the concept, Vijay? Yes, anyone? Pritika?
Yes, sir.
Let me
Got
give
it.
you easy example. Let me give you. See, stock means shares. Stock means shares. Two participants raised their hand. Muskan and Mansi. Yes, Mansi?
So it means joint stock company is a company where shares are held jointly.
Correct. Not the jointly. This is not the right word. Jointly, nahi, they are having the shares individually, but totally jointly. Mr. A Limited as well as B Limited holds the shares of C Limited jointly. This is the concept of joint stock company.
And in partnership, there are no shares, I think.
Right. There are not shares as such. Easy concept है सारे. These are very easy concept. But ये किसी books में लिखे नहीं होते ये सारी चीजें. Unfortunately. Yes, Vijay, got the point.
Yes, could you
Yes.
show table H, sir?
Sorry?
The table, sir. Table F, G, and H. Could you show that again, sir?
The example.
No, the table, sir.
The table. Which table?
F, G, and H, sir.
Just a second.
Yes, sir.
You just have to write this. This one. This.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here is
Above
this.
this, sir. Yes.
Yes. I see that Pritika has maintained the registered. Yes. You have the register in front of you. You write all these things, examples. Very nice.
Sorry,
Yes,
sir,
any
could you
doubt to
show that
anyone now?
again, sir? Sorry, sir.
Let me share. Let me share. Sorry. Here it is.
Thank you, sir.
Done. Yes. So now we have completed the first module of the contract drafting, that is drafting under the Companies Act 2013. Share purchase agreement. I hope you must be very much capable to draft everything. आपको A to Z हर एक चीज पता है. SPA क्या होता है, business transfer agreement क्या होता है, what is the difference between all these terms? I can give you the commitment that have a words with a person, any person, and ask them, so in this case, which agreement will be drafted? They will not be able to answer, unfortunately. Mithi is saying, sir, how to amend AOA? By passing the special resolution, Mithi. The consent of shareholders is required to amend the article of association. Yes. Any doubt to anyone? No doubt. Article of association can be amended by passing a special resolution.
Sir,
Yes, Shashank.
actually, right now I am doing the internship under a corporate. Yesterday, he told me to draft a vendor agreement.
Vendor.
Yeah, vendor. So when I drafted, he asked me whether the partnership deed should be mentioned in that.
I didn't get. Where is the
Partnership deed clause. Where partnership deed should be mentioned or should be provided or something like that. He asked me something like that. I am having no such kind of answer at that time, actually.
Okay, so you are saying that you are drafting the vendor agreement.
Yeah.
Who is the vendor?
Vendor. Vendor is our AB Juice Limited, something in here.
Whether the vendor is company or the partnership firm.
Well, it's a company actually.
So if the vendor is company, why you're mentioning the partnership in that case?
Yeah.
Try to understand the concept. If the vendor is company, why you are mentioning the partnership in the vendor agreement?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right?
Yeah.
In that case, you have to write the memorandum of association, the article of association.
Okay. MOA. Mention.
Right?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Akankrita, what do you do? You are a student?
Sir, I'm a third year law student. Like
Third
I've
year
just
law
completed my third year. Yes, sir.
Very
Fourth,
nice.
like I'll be in fourth now.
You will be in the fourth year. Great.
Yes, sir.
Kritika is a lawyer, right? Practicing advocate. Very nice. Prabhat is LLM candidate, right? Harucha is company secretary as well as advocate, I remember. Muskan, what do you do?
So I'm a law graduate.
You are a law graduate. Very nice.
Sir,
Very-
am I audible?
Yes, audible, Prabhat.
Yes, sir. Sir, during the in the MOA, do we need to write a clause about bonding of or resolution of the company?
If you are drafting the
MOA.
So
So we need a clause about bonding of or resolution of the company.
see, if you are drafting the MO, you are saying object in the object clause, whether we should write the winding up or not.
No, and separate clause.
No, you don't need to mention separate clause in the memorandum. Kasam khalo, there are only 6 clauses in the memorandum.
Okay, sir.
Take a pledge.
Actually, okay, sir. Actually, in a draft I found on Google, they have mentioned
Google पे
about.
ट्रस्ट मत किया करो, गूगल पे ट्रस्ट मत किया करो.
Okay, sir. Okay.
वो आपने पता है किसका देखा होगा? सेक्शन 8 कंपनी का होता है INC 13
Yes, sir.
मेमोरेंडम
Yes.
ऑफ एसोसिएशन, उसमें लिखा होता है.
Okay.
Otherwise you don't need to write anywhere.
Okay.
Okay. कुछ और पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हो. You are very much allowed to ask. कुछ भी पूछना हो apart from this.
Yes, I have a question.
हाँ जी बोलो.
So actually, for example, I hold 100% shares of Reliance Industries Limited, and and they don't write private in their name. So is it a public company or a private company? Even if I hold 100% shares.
Unfortunately, you cannot hold 100% shares. The first thing. The second thing is that if you still hold the 100% shares, you are the only members, right?
Yeah.
So the company, for example, the company will have to be converted in B, because at least you need 7 members.
Okay.
Shares has to be given to the 7 members first of all. In the case of public company,
Okay.
one person cannot incorporate a public company, right?
And they can incorporate a private company.
No, they can still, a one person still cannot incorporate the private company. There is a concept of one person company.
Okay.
It is in the form of private company, but one person company is different concept.
Okay.
Right? So let me give you one example. अगर आप ये contract drafting अच्छे से सीख जाते हो, thorough knowledge. Recently, I again got a call from one of my students. He got a package, very good package. आपने maybe नाम भी सुना होगा कि कौन सी कंपनी का नाम सुना है? अभी कौन सी में निकली थी? Urban Clap में निकली थी ना, I guess. You know, Urban Clap. There was any requirement with respect to this in-house counsel, etc., and he got the job. So he was very much drafting. He was very into the drafting, and he got the job of rupees 17 lakh. It is a matter of fact. So, अगर आपको thorough knowledge है, if you have the thorough knowledge of A to Z, jobs are there in the market. But if you do not have the knowledge, etc., in-depth knowledge तो सबको है. In-depth knowledge is required. ऊपर से तो सबने पढ़ा है 2 designated partners चाहिए. ऐसे तो पढ़ो एक बार कि अगर 7 companies हो जाए तो क्या होगा, etc., like this. Right? So I hope you are learning so much. I hope so. Again, thank you so much to all of you. Thank you so much. Let's meet again in the next week at the same time, same place, same platform. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Take care. Thank you. Hanji, all right. Thank you.